Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Hey, it's a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, okay? Anyways, we got this. Samyang, Tangle, Tangluccine, and this is their kimchi rosé. Rosé is kind of like a version between like a spicy red sauce, a spicy Korean red sauce, and kind of a creamy sauce. So it's a balance. Bowl. Okay. So we got these two that go in after. It's a powder and a liquid. We've got the noodle block, which is pasta-ish. And then we've got it's the first one, see? Step 1, flake. And I'm guessing it's kimchi-ish. And it certainly looks to be. Oh. There we go. Alright, and there's the fill line. I have a feeling this is going to soak up most of the liquid. I'm kind of hopeful. It says use room temp water. And do it for 5 minutes in the microwave. 5 minutes in the microwave to me screams put something down, or maybe it'll boil over or explode. And those are things that I don't care for. Uh-oh. And I think I just heard my phone is running out of juice, so let me help it. Because that would really irritate me if I was halfway through doing this and then my phone died. Yep, it was down to 15 percentage points. So here's our noodle. I got a paper plate in there. It wants 5 minutes at 1,000 watts. So here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Power level. And we be nuking. We nuking. Okay. So, uni charged. I know it's weird, kitchen timer needing charged, but it's the deal. Highly recommend these kitchen timers. They're great. Especially for people like me that can't see very well. And it's noisy. It's a fun. But yeah, there's another version of this out on the market that is not a kimchi rosé, and I thought that's what this was. So that was kind of a nice surprise last night. And I've got this. I'm bringing this sucker out. This is Crazy Tighter Jumps on the Roof, and it's kimchi. And these cans are so neat looking and crazy. I want to keep a good one. So what I'm going to do is, instead of using the pull tab, I'm going to use one of my Super Score thrift store finds. It's a can opener. My mom used to have one of these. There still might be one, exactly same one up at the house. But instead of cutting the can, it separates the can. So you can like put it back on. It's just like it peels it apart. So that's what I'm going to attempt, hopefully. Should work out well. And then once I'm all done with it, I'll put it in the dishwasher and then it'll be super cool. But so far, no good. Uh-oh. There we go. Did it work? Yes, it worked. This is super good kimchi. I'm going to tell you that right off the bat. My wife got me 3 cans of it. Thank you. It is a Samyang product too, and this is a Samyang product that I'm reviewing, so that kind of works out well. Kimchi, Samyang kimchi, going with the Samyang kimchi rosé. Yeah, this stuff is grub. It's yummy. Have a look. So here is our little tin. That's what canned kimchi looks like. I'd never had it before. Then I tried this stuff and I was like, wow. And kimchi is a weird thing too, because it's like kimchi, you buy that at the store and you leave it out for too long, it'll like explode and like expand and stuff. But this, no, it's canned. Mmm. That right there. Yeah, I'll devour this entire can before it's all said and done. But nice little garnish option, I must say. But once that's done, we add in the powder and the sauce and stir it all up. And that's what you get. How long we got? A minute 20. So yeah, it's Friday. This is the last review I'm doing of the week, and this will be review number 4,985. So I've only got 15 reviews to go until I hit 5,000. And I was thinking I was going to do the new Nissan everything bagel one for 5,000. You're like, why would you do something so weird and stuff? Well, the first instant noodle I had was something in the early 80s, and it was called Nissan Roasted Ramen. And guess who made it? The same people who make the everything bagel stuff. So I'd kind of like to do something that was domestic and as an homage to like my roots of where everything started from. However, it's April. It's the beginning of April, and this is something brand new, and I want to get this out the door as fast as possible as far as the review goes so people can see it while they're interested in it. So I guess back to the drawing board. Maybe I might just end up trying to get a hold of the Nissan people and go, hey, you got anything that's going to be coming out within the next few months that might correlate as something good to review for 5,000 at that point? Would it be nice, and I doubt it could ever happen, be like, hey, can you guys get your R&D people to like just make me one pack of that roasted ramen? That'd be freaking rad. Not gonna happen. I'll ask. I don't think they're really into doing such things. You're just gonna confuse people. They'll think they can get it, and blah, 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 blah. You're like, no, I'm not trying to confuse anybody. I'll tell everybody, you can't get this. This was just made for me. It's for number 5,000. Blah, 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 blah. They used the recipe that was the same one as, they made for that way back when. Sauce. So yeah, this one is like the first one I put in was like a really white, creamy looking powder. And this one's really dark. So I'm guessing this is going to be a spicy, maybe tomato-ish kind of thing. And the other one is more of a creamy, kind of cheese-like thing. Cheese-alike. Cheese-a-leo. You guys ever heard of cheese-a-leo? I am guessing not. I think that's probably a local invention. Many years ago, me and my buddy Stumpy, who's now from North Little Rock, used to live in Washington State. Anyways, old Stumpy and I were going to get some beers one night, walking to the 7-Eleven, and this huge entourage for this rapper named Cheese-a-Leo popped out of nowhere. And they like gave us like a poster and autographed it and a CD. And I think I don't know, it was weird. But to this day, we talk in reverent whispers about Cheese-a-Leo. Like, dude, what a name. Well, this smells pretty good. Ow. And it just splashed and it it hurted me. What is it? Almost 2 o'clock. It smells good. It smells kind of meaty. Mmm. That's not bad. Not at all. I like that. It's not strong, but it has definitely got a nice creaminess to it. You might be thinking, what is this stuff? Why is it so soupy? But no, it's fine. That's legit. I like that. I like that a lot, and now you know. So we're gonna do some plating. Not like a, God, what uses a platen? A printer? Don't printers use platens? Platen? It's not like plating up a plate. I want to say that had something to do with like a typewriter, or maybe like a dot matrix printer. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've heard the term platen. Platen. Oh, messy. I want this to look very nice. So let's push this over here. Oh, that's not going to do at all. No. I mean, I could do that. No. No. I'm 15 reviews from number 5,000. Everything better look nice. Use a little AI smudge repair on this. It's really quite easily done. So there's that. How do we want to do this? I want some sauce look in that direction. I don't think we're going to get it. Oh, I could use mint. I don't know. I got kimchi. Why don't I use some mint? I got all that. I got my little friend Minty, the mint plant. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood. So let's add some kimchi. I'm gonna put it like right on top towards the side a little bit. Let's go a little. This is kimchi. Supplied kimchi. These are not bad. I'm going to try to do this without it splashing all over the place. I like that. Okay. And a sprig of mint. 1 sprig. Nope, 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 nope. Stab it. Stab in there, mint. It's easier to do the little mint stab with different stuff. I think that's going to have to work like that. All right, so. Let's allow. Rotator to work some magic. I think just a pinch of sesame seed might set things off a little bit. Maybe just directly on the kimchi. I think that's about all we're going to do here. Yeah, let's have some technological music for a moment. Mmm. Alright. I know. Well, that spicy kimchi is indeed spicy and really, really good. Thanks to everybody for watching. You know, if you like the show, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and helps me out, helps get the word out, and it's good stuff. So, yeah, I appreciate it. Have a good one, and yeah, bye.